Before starting the module, I want you to set aside other tasks which may disturb you while enjoying the lessons. Read the simple instructions below to successfully enjoy the objectives of this kit. Have fun. Follow carefully all the contents and instructions indicated on every page of this module. Write in your notebook the concept about the lessons. Writing enhances learning, which is important to develop and keep in mind. Perform all the provided activities in the module. Use a separate sheet of paper in answering the exercises. Finish the task at hand before proceeding to the next page. Analyze conceptually the post-test and apply what you have learned. If you encounter any difficulty in answering the tasks in this module, do not hesitate to ask for help from your teacher. Enjoy studying. Latin American music. Performance practice. Week 7 Day 1. Second quarter. Performs selections of Afro-Latin American and popular music in appropriate pitch, rhythm, style, and expression. Latin American music. The rhythm and styles of Latin American music are influenced by the United States and other countries in Europe like Spain and Portugal. Latin American music is the combination of four musical elements: musical style, cultural backgrounds, language, and geography. Some of the musical styles are tango, bossa nova, merengue, and salsa, and also other genres such as reggae, jazz, rock, and Latin pop. The African influence on Latin American music is most pronounced in its rich and varied rhythmic patterns produced by the drums and various percussion instruments. Complex layering of rhythmic patterns was a favorite device, where fast-paced tempos add to the rhythmic density. Vocal music was often deep-chested, while instrumental music greatly relied on resonant drums and sympathetic buzzers to produce rich sounds and occasional loud volume levels to reflect their intensity. The music of Latin America refers to music originating from Latin America, namely the Romance-speaking countries and territories of the Americas and the Caribbean south of the United States. Latin America music also incorporates African music from slaves who were transported to the Americas by European settlers, as well as music from indigenous people of the America. Due to its highly syncretism nature, Latin American music encompasses a wide variety of styles, including influential genres such as son, rumba, salsa, merengue, tango, samba and bossa nova. Music activity. Direction: listen to the selected music song from activity. Let's sing and dance. Direction: learn your assigned song, using the lyrics on this page. Practice it with choreography and accompaniment. Then perform it with a video recorder or TikTok application. The video must have two parts: Part 1, singing of assigned song. Part 2, singing and performing of choreography of the assigned song. For girls, Hips Don't Lie, Hips Don't Lie is a song by Colombian singer and songwriter Shakira. It is a salsa and worldbeat song, which heavily incorporates samples from Jean's earlier single Dance Like This and Amores Como El Nuestro, written by Omar Alfano. For boys, Con Calma English, Calmly is a song by Puerto Rican rapper Daddy Yankee featuring Canadian rapper Snow. The genres of the song are reggaeton and dancehall with lyrics about a woman who works her feminine charms and dances very well. Second quarter. Week 7 Day 2. Art application of different media techniques. Apply different media techniques and processes to communicate ideas, experiences, and stories showing the characteristics of 21st century art, like the use of graphic software like Photoshop, in design. Activity. Creating a pinhole camera. Materials needed. Shoebox or similar lidded box. Black paint if box is colored or printed. Note, to save time, the boxes may be painted completely black beforehand. Small sheet of metal approximately 3 by 3 inches. Large needle. X-Acto knife 6. Sandpaper 7. Light-sensitive photo paper. Procedures. 1. Do the following procedure. A. Use the needle to punch a tiny hole in the piece of metal. Smoothen the edges of the hole with sandpaper. B. Cut a small square opening in one side of the box, using the X-Acto knife. C. Tape the piece of sheet metal over this opening on the inside of the box. Completely sealed all edges of the sheet metal with tape. D. On the outer side of the opening, make a flap out of scrap cardboard to cover the pinhole in the sheet metal. Secure it in place with more tape. E. Bring the box, its lid, the light-sensitive photo paper, and the tape into a totally dark, close or small room. F. Carefully unwrap the light-sensitive photo paper. Tape the paper on the inner side of the box opposite the pinhole. G. Put the lid on the box and seal its edges securely with tape on all sides to ensure that no light can seep in. 2. Once the pinhole cameras are ready, you will go outdoors and look for the subject for photos. Note, be sure to choose a totally still or static, non-moving subject. 3. Follow the procedure below for taking a photography with your camera. A. Position the camera on a stable surface, with the covered pinhole facing in the direction of your chosen subject. B. Without moving or shaking the box, carefully loosen the tape holding the cardboard flap over the pinhole. C. Tape the flap in the open position for approximately 15 minutes, and leave the box totally still for the entire duration. D. When the time is up, carefully close the flap and tape it shut once more. 4. Keeping your pinhole cameras fully sealed. Questions. What was the experience like creating your own pinhole camera, and being able to capture images using it? What do you see as the advantages of digital photography as compared to the earlier film-type photography? What do you think of the view that film photography is more artistic than digital photography? Support your opinion. 4. If you have experienced both regular digital photography and DSLR photography, which one did you find more useful to you? More doable? More interesting? Explain your answers. 5. What do you think of the way digital technology has made quality photography accessible to everyone, including young people like you? Fitness activities. Second quarter. Week 7 Day 3. Engages in moderate to vigorous physical activities for at least 60 minutes a day in and out of school. Fitness activities. Exercise is a subset of physical activity that is planned, structured, and repetitive and has as a final or an intermediate objective the improvement or maintenance of physical fitness. Physical fitness is a set of attributes that are either health-related or skill-related. In order to be physically fit, a person must do exercises as part of his daily routine. Our body needs not only nutrients that we get from eating nutritious food, but also from engaging exercises to come up with a balanced physical fitness. You will be performing active and fun recreational activities to enhance your fitness level and skills, and to enjoy the many benefits of engaging in regular physical activities. As you go on and overcome the challenges that you will face, you will learn that recreational activities are not just a fun and exciting part of routine, but it offers an opportunity to improve your fitness and enhance your social skills. So, what are you waiting for? Start having fun and be challenged with the activities in this lesson. Stay fit and active all the time. Physical Education Activity. Activity 1. Read me exercise principles and do warm-up and stretch the body. Let's warm up and stretch the body. 1. Perform the following warm-up and stretching exercises to prepare the body. 2. Use an upbeat music to be more motivated. 3. Wear appropriate attire such as rubber shoes, socks, t-shirts, shorts, and jogging pants. 4. Take pictures of your warm-up and stretch the body of at least 3 pictures as evidence and paste these pictures in a short bond paper. Write caption on the pictures. Include these pictures in your MAPEH journal. A. Jog around your house for 5 minutes. G. Tricep stretch. B. Neck rotation exercises. H. Calf muscle stretch. C. Isometric neck exercises. I. Hamstring stretch. D. Chin tuck. J. Inner thigh stretch. E. Upper trapezius stretch. K. Buttocks stretch. F. Lateral arm stretch. L. Lower back stretch. M. Pelvic tilt. Activity 2, the extra challenge. Do hip-hop cardio workout. Hip-hop aerobics get your heart pumping and your body moving. Do some style dancing while you kick up your cardio with popping and locking, breaking, top rockin', jerking, freezing, spinning, and sliding. Materials needed. 1. CD, DVD player. 2. Hip-hop music procedures. Perform simple hip-hop steps. Interpret the step-by-step instructions given below and enjoy the hip-hop moves with an upbeat music. Steps. 1. Glide step. Starting with the right foot, slide to the right, then slide to the left with left foot. Make it single double slide step. Extend arms sideward left when sliding to the right, then reverse direction. 2. Box step. Cross right foot over left foot, cross left foot over right. Count 1 and 2. Pull right foot back, then pull left foot back. Counts 3 and 4. Stomp right foot then punch right arm downward then reverse side counts 5 and 6. Round arms from chest counts 7 and 8. 3. Pump step starting with right foot, step side then close left foot to right foot with arms pumping at chest level. Counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull down starting with the right foot, slide to the right and push down right arm and pull left leg up counts 1, 2. Repeat starting with the left foot. Counts 3 and 4, 5. The turn step starting with the right foot, do a 3-step turn to the right and snap both fingers down counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat starting with the left foot. Counts 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. Jumping jack changes jump out, extend both arms sideward, jump in, extend both arms upward, repeat 2x counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross right foot over left, ball change, repeat with left foot. Counts 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Hip-hop wave right arm upper up moving to the right counts 1, 2, repeat moving to the left counts 3, 4. Repeat 2x. 8. Cool walk starting with the right foot, walk forward with knees slightly bouncing, swing left arm forward as if you're walking, repeat with left swinging right arm foot counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 4x. Shoe tap start with a simple toe tap with the right foot moving forward closing left to right, then moving backward counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat starting with the left foot counts 5, 6, 7, 8. 10. Hip roll bend both knees and push hips to the right then cross step left ball change counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat moving to the left counts 5, 6, 7, 8. Record your video of performing this hip-hop steps and send it to your teacher. A video must be minimum of 2 minutes and maximum of 3 minutes performance. Ways of managing health issues, trends and concerns. Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 RA 10175 recommends ways of managing health issues, trends and concerns. Second quarter week 7 day 4. The Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 officially recorded as Republic Act No. 1075, is a law in the Philippines that was approved on September 12, 2012. It aims to address legal issues concerning online interactions and the Internet in the Philippines. Among the cybercrime offenses included in the bill are cybersquatting, cybersex, child pornography, identity theft, illegal access to data and libel. Health activity. Activity 1 Types of cybercrime. Write at least 10 types of cybercrime. Write the correct answer on the answer sheet. Activity 2 Let's be protected. Enumerate at least 10 ways to be protected from cybercrime. Write the correct answer on your answer sheet. Activity 3 No to cyberbullying. Question. One of the most common cybercrime among teenagers is cyberbullying. If ever you are the victim, what will be your ways to solve the problem? Give at least 5 ways.